Hi guys, so today we are discussing building intuition for leaders and business owners and why is intuition important. So what we are going to be discussing in this masterclass today, we will be discussing about the power of intuition for leaders and business owners, benefits of building intuition, can we build our intuition and the challenges we face in developing intuition in this modern times that we live in, the beliefs that block intuition, benefits of overcoming the limiting beliefs, real world application of intuition, integrating intuition in daily business practices, and how can I help you build your psychic abilities and intuition. So I made this masterclass, but first I thought let me go and move forward with the three powerful real world examples across different centuries showcasing the impact of intuition in business, life, and fortune. So let's just discuss three case studies just so that you know that how are leaders today using their intuitive abilities to create the businesses and the life they want. So let's talk about the case study of Steve Jobs. So Steve Jobs and the creation of iPhone. So we all know who Steve Jobs is. So in early 2000, Apple co-founder Steve Jobs felt intuitively that the future of computing was personal, portable, and touch-based. Even though the market for mobile phones was already competitive, Jobs believed a revolutionary device combining a phone, internet browser, and an iPod would resonate with users. Data didn't suggest that a demand at that time, and some Apple executives doubted the idea. Still, Jobs followed his intuition and pushed his team to create the first iPhone in 2007, despite challenges and skepticism. What would have happened without intuition? Without Jobs' intuition, the iPhone might never have been developed, and smartphone revolution could have taken years to unfold. Jobs' vision for intuitive technology altered the mobile industry and reshaped how we connect and made Apple one of the world's most profitable companies. Steve Jobs' story reminds us that intuition in business can drive monumental changes, especially when data and trends haven't yet caught up. Trusting one's intuitive insight can disrupt entire industry, create billion-dollar markets, and fundamentally change lives. Let's look at another world leader, Elon Musk. So Elon Musk and Tesla gigafactories. In early 2000, Elon Musk had a vision that future of transportation would depend on electric vehicles and renewable energy. But one of the biggest hurdles was battery production. Despite skepticism from industry experts and investors, Musk's intuition told him that to secure Tesla's future, the company would need to control battery supply at scale. He made the bold decision to build the first gigafactory, a massive facility dedicated to battery production, even though it required a huge investment and carried significant financial risk. What would have happened without intuition? If Musk hadn't trusted his intuition to build gigafactories, Tesla might have faced severe battery shortage and limiting production and growth. This would have slowed the global adoption of electric vehicles and hindered Tesla's potential as a market leader. Today, Tesla's gigafactories play a critical role in companies' ability to meet demand and lead the shift towards sustainable energy. What do we learn from this? We learn that Musk's story underscores the importance of trusting intuition in the face of industry doubts and high financial risks. Sometimes intuition enables leaders to take bold steps that secure a long-term competitive advantage and help shape the future of industry. Let's take one more example of Whitney and the creation of Bumble. She was previously an executive at Tinder, had an intuitive feeling that dating apps were missing a vital element of safety and empowerment, particularly for women. Trusting her intuition, she left Tinder in 2018 and launched Bumble, a dating app where only women can make the first move. This concept went against conventional dating app norms, but Heard felt that an app designed to empower women would resonate strongly. What would have happened without intuition? Had Heard ignored her intuition, Bumble might never have been created, and the dating app industry could have continued without a proper major player focusing on female empowerment and safety. Instead, Bumble quickly grew one of the world's most popular dating apps with a user base that values its unique approach. The success also led Bumble into an IPO in 2021, making her the youngest female CEO to take a company public. Her story shows how intuition can lead to innovation in well established industries. By trusting her inner sense of what was missing in the market, she created a billion-dollar brand that empowered users and disrupted the traditional dating app landscape. So, what do we learn from these three giants? We learn that intuition is playing a vital role in decision making. So, the power of intuition for leaders and business owners. Unlocking the inner wisdom of for extraordinary leadership, intuition is more than just a gut feeling. It's a powerful, often untapped resource that every great leader possesses. In today's fast-paced, data-driven world, intuition can provide the clarity and foresight that logic alone may lack. Intuition is seeing with the soul. Okay, this is one of the quotes that I really like. Why intuition matters for leaders and business owners. See, I'll just put it into pointers here. It helps you take quick and confident decisions. When faced with high stakes situations, intuition can guide rapid decision making where analysis falls short. Spotting opportunities early. Intuitive leaders often recognize trends and opportunities before others. Okay, it creates a deeper connection with people. Intuition helps leaders read between the lines, sensing unspoken needs and emotion in their teams, clients, and partners. This ability builds trust and loyalty. It creates adaptability and agility. Business environment changes fast. Intuition allows leaders to adapt swiftly, balancing logic with inner guidance to pivot or hold firm. Enhance creativity and innovation. Many breakthrough ideas emerge from an intuitive spark. Leaders who value intuition foster environment where creativity thrives, leading to innovative solutions. Intuition will tell thinking mind where to look next. Okay, so cultivating intuition isn't about abandoning logic. It's about strengthening your natural instinct so they can work in harmony with data and strategy. For today's leaders, intuition is not just beneficial, it's essential. See, the power of intuition for leaders and business owners is always true. Without intuition, leaders will not be able to lead effectively and businesses will not be doing the best they can. I'll be discussing more about how we can build intuition. I'll be discussing about how we can build intuition, but let's understand the benefits of building an intuition first. Okay, so imagine making decisions faster, spotting hidden opportunities, and understanding your team's need without even a word being spoken. This is the power of developed intuition. So, how intuition strengthens leadership and business success. See, for leadership advantages, it creates confidence in uncertainty. Intuitive leaders trust their inner guidance when navigating complex situations, making them more resilient and composed under pressure. It creates a clearer vision and purpose. Building intuition aligns leaders with their true goals, sharpening their vision and bringing a powerful sense of purpose and to their action. Enhanced emotional intelligence. Okay, so intuitive leaders are also more attuned to emotions, both their own and others. It creates increased empathy and trust. Intuition helps leaders sense what their team members need, and even when it's not openly expressed, fostering trust and loyalty within the team. It also helps in effective, quick decision making. Leaders with strong intuition can process information more quickly, relying on a balance of logic and instinct to make more sound decisions in high stakes situations. Intuition is the highest form of intelligence. Okay, so business intuition is your secret weapon for growth as well, because what happens is it can create a huge impact on your business if you build the intuition. So let's talk about the business impact. Early opportunity detection. Leaders with well developed intuition are often able to recognize trends and opportunities before competitors, allowing for proactive innovation and growth. It helps in better risk management. Intuitive business owners are more likely to sense a potential risk early, helping them take preventive action and avoid costly missteps. Improved customer insights. Intuition gives leaders a deeper understanding of client needs, enabling them to create offering that resonates and build stronger customer loyalty. Adaptability in change, and higher employee engagement and satisfaction. So these are some of the benefits what you have when you are having intuition. It will help you in your leadership, and it will also have a strong impact if you are a business owner or you are leading a big business. So for leaders and business owners, intuition is not just a personal advantage, it's a strategic asset that drives growth, builds strong teams, and lays foundation for sustainable success. The question is, can we build our intuition? And what are the challenges that we face in developing in this modern times? See, intuition isn't mystical gift limited to a few. It's natural ability that we all have. With intentional practice and mindset shifts, anyone can strengthen this inner guidance system. The intuitive mind is sacred gift and rational mind is a faithful servant. We have created a society that honors the servant and has forgotten the gift. That's what Albert Einstein said. So here's how we can build intuition: mindfulness and meditation. Spending time in stillness helps us tune into subtle insights, developing a clear, more receptive mind for intuitive guidance. Reflective journaling. This is very powerful. Okay, by regularly writing about experiences and emotions, we learn to recognize patterns and gut feels that come up in different situations, which can sharpen our intuition. In fact, what I suggest is that when you get a intuitive thought, you should write it down and then you can reflect back later. But if you don't write it and just try to remember it, you will not be able to remember when that event actually occurs. Okay, so trusting initial impressions. Acting on a first instinct in low risk situations builds confidence in our intuitive judgment, making it easier to rely on them over time. Listening to physical cues. Intuition often speaks through the body. Those through some get a gut feeling or sudden moments of calmness or unease can be valuable indicators. If we are open to recognizing them, we can actually understand, listen to yourself. But in this modern times, what's happened is that we have a lot of distractions. So we have constant digital distractions. We have non-stop influx of information from phones, social media, notification disrupts our ability to stay present, making it challenging to tune into subtle intuitive insights. We have over-reliance on data and logic. So we can find anything on Google, we can type anything on ChatGPT, we can check what's happening, what's not happening. So we are dependent. We don't want to understand this mindset. We can get the answers intuitively. We have a fear of mistakes and uncertainty. Many people feel uncomfortable relying on their intuition, especially if they are afraid of making mistakes or facing criticism for unproven decisions. This fear can lead to second guessing and hesitation. Then we have high stress levels. Chronic stress keeps our mind in a reactive state, making it difficult to access intuition, which requires calm, focus, and a clear mind. Limiting beliefs. Thoughts like intuition isn't reliable or only data matters can block our natural intuitive abilities. Overcoming these beliefs is essential for building trust in our intuitive self. Developing intuition in modern world is entirely possible, but it requires an intention and discipline. When we learn to quiet distraction and embrace both rationally and through intuition and trust our inner voice, we gain access to a powerful tool that can guide us through complex decisions and build deeper connections in both life as well as business. So some of the beliefs that block our intuition: my brain is only a receiver in the universe. There is a core from which we obtain knowledge, strength, and inspiration. Okay, so let's run a few limiting beliefs and check if we have them. Just ask yourself, do you believe that intuition isn't reliable? What is it that you're getting? Yes or a no? Only data and facts are trustworthy. If I can't prove it, it isn't real. I have to think through everything logically first. Trusting my gut will lead to mistakes. Why? Because you've not built that intuition. You have not built that system where you can trust your gut. Okay, intuition is just wishful thinking. I'm not intuitive, that's for special people. It's like it's for the psychics, it's for someone special. No. So I've been in real estate. I sold more than 200 million worth of real estate. I have huge stories all through intuition. A lot of my clients change these beliefs. People will think I'm irrational if I trust my intuition. Intuition is too vague to be useful. If I rely on intuition, I'll look weak. So these are some of the limiting beliefs that you can go through here and understand how it is blocking you from building an intuition. Just give you a quick background about me. So my name is Aanant Bisht. I have worked on building my psychic abilities, and over the last 15 years I have immersed myself into meditation and developed my psychic abilities that allows me to shift beliefs on a deep energetic level. Personally, I have serial entrepreneur. I have sold more than 200 million worth of real estate, and in last 12 months I have coached my clients in real estate alone to do a transaction of over $1 billion US. Plus, I also coach other business leaders and celebrities so that they can go to where they want to go. Okay, so I help people craft and build their own intuitive abilities. And once you start trusting your intuition, it's like your personal AI, it's like your personal higher self always giving you guidance. It's like as small as even checking that should I buy this camera or should I buy that camera? Should I invest in this course or should I not invest in this course? Should I book this flight ticket or should I book that flight ticket? Or your intuition will guide you everywhere. Should I buy this piece of land or should I not buy this piece of land? Should I buy this house for flipping or should I not buy it? Or will this house sell? Should I put my effort and energy in this? Should I go for this meeting or not? Intuition is everything. Once you start building that intuition, it will just help you save a lot of time which is going to be wasted. So if you think your time is valuable, then you must start building intuition. I can't emphasize the fact enough for you to build intuition. Okay, as I work in private settings, there might be a wait list if you want to apply and work with me for your specific goals, and if you want to enhance and build your intuition. You can also reach me on my email address anant.bisht@gmail. I will get back to you if there is a opening in the waitlist or if there is something new that comes up. But my sincere suggestion for you is think about how can you build intuition. Your intuition is your personal guidance, personal light. If you have a strong intuition, you will be able to navigate to where you want to go faster than anyone else. Thank you so much. I hope you like this masterclass. If you did, please press a like button and subscribe to my channel if you're looking for more content like this.